Welcome back guys. On today's video we're going to be looking at headlamp covers. We were kind enough to have these sent to us by Van Comfort. We are going to review them, but our opinions are completely our own. First thing we need to do is open them up and then pop the bonnet. Here we have the passenger side protector. There is a square marked on here which shows you where the sticker needs to go for using them in Europe. We're not using them in Europe quite yet, so we don't need to add the sticker right now. Let's show you how they fit on the van. So let's pop the first one on. It's just a simple case of sliding in at the bottom and just lining up with this edge here to make sure you cover the headlamp. Once in place, just push back and the clips at the back there just pop over the top of the headlamp. It's just a simple case now of repeating the process for the driver's side. And here we have the lens cover for the driver's side of the van. As you can see again, there is another square on here. It's a slightly different profile to the passenger side, but again, it's to correct the lens for use in Europe. Let's put this one on. And there we go on the driver's side, just simply a case of repeating the process as we did on the passenger side. Slide in from the bottom, line up the edge, and clip over into place. And there we go, with the bonnet back down in place, the headlamp covers sit nicely over the headlamps. All you need to do now is go to Europe and add the stickers. And here we have the stickers that are provided to go over the headlamp. Simply a case of peeling them off and putting them over the corresponding block. We don't need to do that right now as we're not in Europe. However, we'll leave these for a later video. So there we go guys, that's the end of our install video. We will cover off in a later video actually using them, perhaps even over in Europe, you never know. Big shout out to Steve up at Van Comfort for being kind enough to send these out to us. If you do want to pick yourself up a set, I will leave a link in the description. We will give these a full review in a later video. If you do have any questions or comments, please do leave them below and I'll be quite happy to answer any questions you may have. Also, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and notification bell to hear when the next video goes live. See you in the next video.